Hi, good morning. Welcome to this live trading. Today, Nifty opened gap up and it is in good momentum. So let's hope today that Nifty touches the magic mark of 18,000. Now, to initiate a trade, my first thing is the range of the candle on 5 minutes time frame. See, at 9:55, the range of the candle is almost 13, 14 points. Okay. And even at 10 o'clock, which is just 5 minutes after 9:55, it is 20 points. So what we can do here is we can buy on the high of this candle. I have on my watch list 17,850 call option. So I am now I have to initiate a trade and I have to buy at 184 on the high of this candle. 184. Yes. 184 is the right price to buy, and my target will be 196, 184 to 196. Just hold on a moment. Still, my trade is not initiated. Yes, 184, 184. Yes, it will initiate now. Buy at 184 to a target. 184 target. Target is 196. Stop loss will be 174. Yes. I will be initiating a trade now at 184. Yes, my trade is initiated. 184 is initiated. This is again a red candle. Let's see what happens. I don't know what will going to happen. The reason why I initiated this trade is because the range of the candle on 5 minutes time frame on Nifty chart is 20 points, and on the option chart 17,850 call option chart, it's very clearly showing that it's above the VWAP. Now let's see where exactly we can book our profits. So if Nifty can touch 17,975, so another 20 points, my target should be done. Every sector is in green, but none of them are above 1% except IT. IT is trading at 1.7%, and media is trading at 2.4% above. Let's hope for one good move. So 17,970, I will be out of the trade. Now the option which I bought is trading at 188. So another 10 points move. Now it's trading at 190. So 196, I will quit. So 17,963, 17,963. Let's see. 17,970. It has to hit my target. No, just 6 points. That's it. Nothing more. So on the Nifty chart, it should be 17,970. So another 10 points move will fetch my target. There is a very good momentum in Nifty IT. Nifty IT, there is a very good momentum in Nifty IT. So now it's trading at 192, 192, 192. Another 4 points, that's it. Another 3 points now. So this is the momentum trading what we have chosen. So every parameter of my strategy is met here. On the option chart, it was trading well above the VWAP. Now it is 195. It's almost 195. Yes, it touched 195. So another just 1 point. That's it. So 196 is now just within a minute. I think we will be able to close this live trade. Yes, now it's 196. So we are done. We have achieved 12 points today. See, the first reason why I initiated this trade is because the candle, the 5 minutes candle on Nifty at 10 o'clock, it is exactly 20 points. And also on the Nifty chart at that time, it is trading well above the VWAP, and the slow moving average is above the fast moving average. The green line is above the red line. So that's the reason why I initiated this trade. So we were able to achieve our target. So friends, thank you so much for being with me. Have a wonderful day.